In this video I will show you how to work a slip stitch. A slip stitch is usually used as a way to move along the work without creating an actual stitch. For this sample I'll be using 6.5mm crochet hook and a chunky weight yarn such as DMC Knitty 6. Insert your crochet hook into the next stitch. Starting with the hook in the front of the yarn, move the hook under and over the yarn so the yarn ends up looped around your hook. Pull your hook through the stitch and through the loop on your hook. This is your first slip stitch. Insert our hook into the stitch, under and over the yarn, pull through again. So you see I've made 3 slip stitches.